Hey guys, this is the engineer. This is the last of the three-part training session that I'm going to show you guys about Podio, and this one focuses on creating web forms. I really love Podio because you can create a web form and then you can have that information directly input into Podio. It can be a very powerful tool for your business for either collecting information or collecting email addresses or whatever the case may be. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you how this is done. First, I'm going to show you the app that I made. This is for creating a mailing list for Ashley to Jazzy Productions, my production company. You'll see here it's a very simple app. I've allowed for a contact to be created. Um, I've differentiated where people have heard of us from because there's a lot of we're out there all over the place, all over the internet. So I want people to know where they heard us from, or I want to know where people heard us from. And then of course a separate box, a text box for if other, please fill out where. And then which of the artists that you're interested in hearing information about. And I encourage you guys to go check this out. Make sure you click all the above because they're all good. All right, enough of that. So now let's take a look at what this actually looks like, what this form actually looks like. So what we do is just go to the app itself that you want to create a web form for, and then do this pull down right here, and you can see web form. Just click on there, and it'll generate a preview of what this web form looks like. Now you see right here, this preview looks exactly like if I go over to my website, ashleytojazzy.com, you can see this is embedded right into, very slick, right into our home page, or I'm sorry, our contact page. So right off the bat, very cool, very easy to do as well. I'm going to go back over here. You can see it's got a drop-down menu. Where'd you hear about us? SoundCloud. Which people do you want to hear about? And then you'll also notice a CAPTCHA. Um, this is great because otherwise you're going to have robots spamming you with email or with the email addresses. So over here you can see the preview that's being generated, and you can customize which of these fields will show up in the web app. So, for instance, for contact, I don't need title, organization, phone number, Skype address, URL, any of that stuff for to create the mailing list properly. All I'm really interested in is what's their email address, approximately where are they, and what is their name. Also, I've got where did you hear of us? I want to include that. I want to include the if other where right down here. And then the drop down menu of which artist they want to receive updates about. And of course, you want to receive about all of them. And then right here, you'll notice that I took away the attach files section because I don't want people spamming me with files. So going down here, you can see the title, Would you like to join our mailing list? Right over here. Would you like to join our mailing list? And then under there, we promise to only send you cool stuff. Right down there. You can change the theme that's associated with it. So if you want it to look black, I personally like the glossy one. I like the bubble sign up button there. It's very fancy. You can enable or disable the CAPTCHA. You can change what goes into this button here. I have it say sign me up. And then you can also give them a message that says, thanks, we promise to only share you awesome stuff with you. Okay, so now there's two ways you can share this form with people. You can look up here, it's got a shareable link. They host that link for you. So you look right here, you can send this to someone, and there you go. All you got to do is all they do is type in this information. When they hit sign me up, then it goes into your app, your mailing list app, and then a new person becomes added to your app. A new contact is added to your app, or a new lead, or whatever the case may be. You can also copy the HTML right here and do as I did and paste it right into your website. So there you go. I'm going to show you an example of how to do this with a timesheet. That's another example. So here we're back on my the timesheet. I don't know if I showed you from the last one, but this is the timesheet app that I have created. And what I can do here is I can go into add timesheet, and you can see all the stuff that becomes available. You got the date, the time, or the title, the project name, all that stuff. If I go under here, do the same thing, go to web form. Now you can see all of those same fields become available as a web form. There you go, just like that. I can add my time in. I can add my titles. I got the same drop-down menu as before. I've got the time spent. All of this just becomes. You can either make it its own page, like here. This is generated by Podio, or you can go here and copy the HTML code and again post it into your own website. So that's it. That's very simple. This is a quick and dirty one. I just wanted to show that to you guys. I'd be remiss if I didn't give a nice little plug. I'm sure you're viewing me through the through my website or from my blog from Empower Network. A quick little plug from there. Um, I am able to do this sort of thing, able to work from home, able to have the freedom to provide you guys with these sort of walkthroughs, and not charging anything for them, just post them up for free. I'm able to do that as a result of my work through Empower Network and also through consulting. But really, it's mostly because of this that I'm able to do. Mostly because of Empower Network, and also because of my company, Ashy to Jazzy Productions. I'm a part owner. I'm also a hip hop artist. You can find me right here. Click on Sonar Clips. I'm the engineer. Thank you guys for listening in, and I hope you guys got some value from this. And go out there and chase your dreams, everybody. Enjoy. Live life. Love you. Take care.